In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a new expert in EveryAnswer. To start, go to the home screen in EveryAnswer and click Create an Expert in the top right corner. Choose the free starter plan or try a free trial of one of our paid plans, then click Next. Type your organization's name in the field shown here. Next, enter a location, city and state, that fits your expert's intended area. This helps tailor responses based on location. Now, specify the audience you'd like your expert to serve. This helps personalize the answers for them. Next, provide a few sample questions to guide the expert's responses. Now click Next. EveryAnswer will create the initial version of your expert, which you'll be able to customize. Adjust your expert's details to match its persona. For this example, let's change the image or avatar. Click Change Picture to update your expert's avatar. Upload your own image or select from a provided image by clicking Pick from our library. Choose a category to browse images in that style. Use the navigation buttons to browse through available images. Click on the image you want to use. Click Save to confirm your selection. Once you've made all your adjustments, click Next. Remember, you can edit these settings later. Now we will start to train your expert. Add any general information that your expert should always be aware of every time it answers a question. This could include organizational details or any other information that your expert should always remember. To further train your expert, let's import a website. Start by clicking Web Data. Now click the Add Website button. In the pop-up, type the URL of the site you want to use. You can exclude specific paths if you'd like to filter out certain pages. For example, excluding blogs can keep the focus on core content. Click Add to confirm any paths you want to exclude. Click Scan Now to begin scanning. Scanning time depends on the site's size and whether it has a sitemap. Once the scan is complete, select Add to Expert to train your expert with the discovered pages. You can also train your expert using documents. To get started, click Files in the menu. Select a source, like your computer or a cloud storage service, and follow the prompts. For this example, I'll upload a file from my computer. When your files finish uploading, click Next. Now let's invite some people to try your new expert. Enter the email addresses of people you'd like to invite, then click Send Invitations. Existing EveryAnswer users will get access right away, and new users will receive an invitation to set up their account. Click Save and Exit to finish. Now you can start testing your expert. Note that if you've added a large site or lots of documents, some training may still be underway, and responses may improve as training completes. Congratulations, you've successfully created an AI expert in EveryAnswer. Remember, you can keep enhancing your expert over time by refining its persona and updating its knowledge.